Today we are going to start a project where we are going to research 5 different animals, and then we're going to take that information and we're going to make a Google slideshow, or kind of like a PowerPoint that we've made in the past. We're going to put this information into our Google account as a slide. So everybody is going to get a piece of paper that looks like this. It has a front and it has 2 animals on the back. So first of all, you're going to put your name at the top, and then next to this video there's going to be a link to National Geographic Kids Animal section. Now you're going to pick 5 different animals. If you scroll down, you see the different animals, and if you keep going, there's a lot of choices. So when you click on an animal, so maybe I want to do the sea otter, you're going to see a picture and then an overview, and then if you keep going, you have some information here. Now if you look at your worksheet, you're going to put the animal name, its endangered status, the habitat it lives in, its classification, like if it's a mammal or a reptile, the diet, so that's what it eats, and the lifespan, which is how long it lives. So if I looked back here, I see its classification is a mammal, it's endangered, it has a 23-year lifespan, it's a carnivore, so that means it eats meat, and the habitat is the ocean. Now I have one for a wolverine filled out here as an example. Now you do not have to pick a wolverine and write down what I did. You've got lots of animals to choose from, and you're doing this for 5 different animals. When you are finished, you're going to turn this in on the middle table. And then tomorrow, there's going to be a video that tells you how to start turning this in to our actual slideshow.